Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the PC. This removes live voltage and lowers risk. Once done, press the case power button to discharge residual charge and make sure to wear an anti-static strap to protect components. You should collect a #PH2 screwdriver and a small container for screws, and take clear photos of the GPU power connectors and rear display cables so you can reconnect everything correctly later. Open the case and remove the side panel. Keep screws together so nothing gets lost. Next, unplug the GPU's 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables first, then disconnect any display cables. This prevents tugging the card. Once cables are clear, press or flip the PCIe slot retention latch and support the GPU with one hand. Make sure to hold it steady before you remove the bracket screws so the card won't drop or damage the slot. With the bracket screws removed and the latch released, gently pull the GPU straight out of the PCIe slot while supporting it. Set it on an anti-static mat or bag. Once removed, reinstall the slot cover or leave the slot protected and tidy cables to restore airflow. Power on the system to test. If it fails post, power down, reseat the card and cables, or clear CMOS as a troubleshooting step to reset BIOS settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.